action.
Wait, not done yet.
Oh.
I keep going back to
Yeah.
touch, and then touchdown.
Yeah.
Then I,
Uh-huh.
yeah, whoa. There, done.
Okay, now, come on. Let's go.
Can I see you?
In a minute, I'll show you the whole thing. In fact, you can keep a copy. Oh, look out the backyard. Have you seen the backyard?
Yeah, it's crazy. Big. Oh, I understand why.
And look, I have my own door to the patio.
Crazy.
Make sure it's closed tight, please, and locked.
I don't know how to.
Yeah, you got it. Thanks. All right, let's go. Oh, did you want to take a picture of the workroom? Oh, oh. Oh.
Have you woken up yet?
Did Beth come in here?
She was asking if Eric
Oh.
woke up yet.
Okay. Oh.
I tried to call.
He didn't answer the phone.
I missed you, Jill.
You
I
missed
haven't talked
Jill.
to her in weeks.
Oh, oh. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's let her have some privacy, please. Mark, let's let her have some privacy, please.